Toronto Raptors superfan.
Raptors superfan.
Toronto Raptors superfan.
The Toronto Raptors' most famous superfan. I am, of course, talking about Nav Bhatia.
I'm Nav Bhatia, a car dealer, a philanthropist, and of course, the Raptors superfan. My journey started in 1984 when I migrated from India to Canada, and my first few years were very tough. Even as a mechanical engineer, I couldn't get a job. I went for a lot of interviews, but nobody wanted to hire a guy with a turban and beard at that time. So I did a lot of odd jobs like janitorial, landscaping, painting. And finally, I landed up the job then Rextel Hyundai as a car salesman.
I've been very blessed to get a lot of honors during my journey. The top two being getting the championship players ring from the Raptors and also being inducted into the Hall of Fame.
The newest members of the gallery, please welcome superfans Billy Crystal, Spike Lee, Alan Horwitz, and Nav Bhatia.
Everybody gets older and gets at an age where they start thinking about leaving a legacy. In my case, this beautiful country, Canada, gave me everything I got today. And that's when I started Nav Bhatia Superfan Foundation. And its goal is very simple, to bring the kids and the people from all kind of backgrounds together through this beautiful game of basketball. I just want to make sure kids don't have to go through what I went through when I first came to this country. When I started this journey, I never thought I would be a symbol of diversity. I realized that I have a responsibility and an opportunity to bring the people together. Doesn't matter what color, religion, gender, we are 99% all same inside. And my goal is to make the people understand that our differences are our superpowers, and let's use them. To all the humble graduates, as you begin your next chapter, I hope you stay true to yourself and your beliefs. And make sure, treat people like you want to be treated yourself. I congratulate you and wish you the best in your next journey.